Hi guys, it's Coveteur Senior Beauty Editor Hannah Baxter, and I'm going to show you all how I do an at-home chemical peel with the GlyPro AHA Resurfacing Peel kit. If you're not familiar with a chemical peel, it's basically a way to perform some heavy-duty exfoliation when your skin's looking particularly lackluster or you're dealing with some congestion, and you just need a little bit of help to reveal the bright, glowy skin underneath. The first thing you do is wash your face with the glycolic resurfacing cleanser, being careful to avoid your eyes. Then you move on to the Hydra Bright Pro 5 liquid exfoliant, which you use on the gauze pad that's provided in the kit. You can apply that, allow it to dry for 30 seconds, and then saturate a second pad and repeat the application. Once your skin is dry, you saturate another pad with the peel prep, swiping it all over your face, again avoiding the eye area. To make sure that the peel doesn't get into any of the sensitive areas of your face, like your eyes or nose or around your mouth, you can apply the barrier balm with the provided cotton swab. This is when you're going to feel like a bit of a mad scientist, and you pour the GlyPro AHA Resurfacing Peel into the provided cup and dip the applicator into the peel to saturate it and apply it all over your skin, again being careful to avoid the eye area. Resaturate the applicator if you need it. Then you leave on the peel for 2 to 5 minutes. I have more sensitive skin, so I stick with 2 minutes, but it really depends on your specific skin needs. Once you're ready to remove the peel, you shake up the peel neutralizer and pour it onto the reusable cotton round and swipe that all over your face. This will help adjust your skin's pH, so you might feel a little bit of a tingling sensation, but that will subside really quickly in less than 30 seconds. Then you allow your skin to dry and wait 1 to 2 minutes. You can see if you're flushing a lot or if you're feeling sensitive. If you don't really feel anything, you can follow up the peel treatment with the GlyPro retinol drops, but if you are feeling sensitive or see some redness, you can leave these out of your routine. You can also follow up the peel with the anti-stress CBD drops for a little bit of extra soothing and calming treatment, especially if your skin is feeling and looking flushed. The last step is to follow up with your favorite moisturizer and plenty of sunscreen, at least an SPF 30 or higher, and to avoid working out or direct sunlight, any sort of heat or steam for 24 to 48 hours, and to be really diligent about protecting your skin from the sun for at least 7 days after the peel. The only thing left is to admire your extremely bright and glowy, radiant skin. See you next time.